What's up guys, the CRV here, and I picked up this phone mount. It's from Reload Offroad. It's the reason why I bought it was because it mounts to you don't have to drill any holes or anything. It's plug and play and it looks great, and it's a MagSafe phone holder right here. So the cool thing about this is that this piece right here, it goes right here, and you can tell there's two bolts right there, or two nuts that used to be there, and these are the ones that are there. Took them off already. So you took that off and you're supposed to put this on, and they give you two screws right here, two long screws, so I'm assuming that's where it goes. I actually had to go to Home Depot, you can see the bag, because they forgot to put the, you know, like the, I think M3 or M4 bolts. So I had to go buy some, which kind of sucks, but you know, it is what it is. So this is gonna go right here, and you bolt it on, assumingly, with those long bolts. Let's see where I can put this phone. Just put it like right here. You do 0.5. Yeah, 0.5. It's gonna look a little weird, but at least I don't have to, you know, hold the phone or whatever. So let's get the reload. Put it like that. Let's get these long bolts. It's getting a little dark, so bear with me. It's kind of look like, you know, like tapping screws, but they work, so whatever. So there's one in. Let's get the other one in. Kind of gotta be careful because you don't want to damage your other side of your, you know, your dash. So put them in, screw them in, and then get your little screwdriver. And start screwing it in. Oh, I did the wrong side. I mean, this is a cheap screwdriver. It's supposed to be the pivoting one, but I notice it doesn't work unless you have it fairly tight. So let's do it. Decent amount of force, not too much. Like that. So that's how it looks like on the vehicle. And the cool thing is, with this right here, it basically goes in those holes right there that occupy it. So you can put it right here, you can put it right here, and you can put it right here. And I think I'm gonna put it right here because I like it closer to, you know, to the steering wheel. You know, I drive a manual. I like it close to, you know, close to me. So I hope you can see this. If not, I'm just gonna do a better video of better video like cut and paste or something, or just like a little there. Okay, with all the holes, okay, right there. So let's put the first one in. Just thread it in a decent amount so it will hold. Let's get the second one in. This one's gonna be a little tricky. I might just put this on the tree. Let's go the other way. I think it's supposed to go the other way. Let's try that out. Is it supposed to go over there? Oh no, I can just go like this. Perfect. I was like, oh man, I put that the wrong way, and I was like, oh yeah, I could just, you know, fix it with the that. So let's just move this out of the way. But I prefer this route, this side, but let's tighten this good. Move this out of the way. Let's tighten this good. I think that's it. Wow. Besides, you know, missing some pieces, you know, this thing looks good, feels good. I'm gonna just double check everything. Yep, that's good. So now I can tighten this, I assume, and we're good to go. Yep, there we go. This thing's mounted This phone has a MagSafe, so there you go. Yeah, I mean, it works. It works good. I tighten this up, and yeah, it looks very good. There you have it, guys. This is the off-road reload phone mount, magnetic phone mount for the 2002-2006 Honda CRV. I really like this mount. It looks very good. I didn't like the mounts that, you know, go on top on the windshield or, you know, somewhere else. This one's like in the perfect spot. The magnetic thing is strong. The mount is strong. The only thing I kind of saw was like, oh, this opens up, but this hits it. And I was like, oh man, dude, I gotta freaking move it over. But then I realized, hey, I could just, you know, adjust this and move it over like that and just keep it right here. And now this can, you know, go where it needs to go. But nevertheless, I really like this mount. Highly recommend it. It was just a bummer that, you know, they forgot some bolts. But nevertheless, I'm very happy with it, with the products. Like, comment, subscribe. It's been a while since I posted, but I plan to post more stuff since this is going to be my road trip / fishing vehicle. So I'm going to focus strictly on cool things for this car, you know. Yeah, guys, peace out.